Hey guys, today we're gonna make a bird's toy. And to make a toy for your birds or any other creatures, all you're gonna need is garbage. A lot of garbage. And that's it. So let's do it. This is what we're gonna do. So first, we need a coconut. Yup, an ugly coconut and an unclean coconut. Look how dirty it is. Now it's clean. Ooh. That will take forever. I guess this is it.
Circuit swoops and flows through the Dutch sand dune floor, and then finding himself in the trackspace was at a Presley and Mick Schumacher.
Nice. We have the toy ready. It looks cool so far. With my fake tree. Shut up. I'm recording. Shut up. Here we have Cookie, the stupid bird. We have Toka inside. It's another stupid bird. Look at her. Look at her. Look how dumb she is. And this one was so excited to go out. If I put my hand here, he will jump. See? You really want to go out. I will not gonna let you out. Wee wee. We have this stupid Cookie. Cookie, you are so idiot. You're so dumb. He hates me so bad. Just for no reason. I know why. So I'm not gonna tell you. After a few minutes, I'm gonna let them out. And they were gonna try the new toy. Of course, they were gonna be scared from it. But I have my ways to make them love it. Let's go! Wait for it. Whee! Whee! Now all what I have to do is wait. Let's see. Of course they are hesitating. Should you do it or not? No, the food. Yeah, he did it. Now let's wait. Yep. Yep, someone did it.